Hi, I'm Neil from UseMyFrame.com, and I've been an optician for almost 18 years, and I've made thousands of glasses. Today, I'm going to review the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. These are mine. These have my prescription in them. And I've seen a lot of great reviews on YouTube about these glasses, but there's one feature of these that I haven't seen a lot of people talk about. Actually, I haven't seen any talk about, and it's my favorite feature. So today I want to give you sort of a overview and talk about my favorite feature. Be sure to stick to the end and don't skip ahead. Let's begin. All right, so if you're like me, you probably first saw these come out and other glasses like that and said, that's a little gimmicky, right? Why would I need that technology in a pair of eyeglasses? Some good reasons, right? And I know a lot of the marketing is done to the younger crowd, but I'm middle-aged and I love these glasses. So that's why I really thought, let's explore this a little bit. So they come in a few different styles. I have the Wayfarer and I have the standard size. They also come in a large. And I have the color that is called Shiny Caramel. I will show you that under the light so you can kind of see a little more detail. But these are the standard size, and I'm going to grab these. I got another pair here that are large. Okay, so this is the Wayfarer Standard, which is what I personally wear every day. And these are the large, just so you can kind of get a comparison for the size difference. I don't have any lenses in here, so I can't really see anything. Everything's blurry. But it gives you an idea of the size. So I usually wear the standard ones, and they fit me really good. If you compare these to regular Ray-Ban glasses, these are a little thicker, especially on the arms or the temples, right? And that's because they have all the electronics. It's perfectly natural. That's where technology is right now. But they're not so thick that they are uncomfortable, not in any way. And I have to really pick a pair of glasses because while I'm holding one, I can't see. There we go. So, there are three main designs. There are the Wayfarer, the Headliner, and the Skylar. And the Headliner has a low bridge version, and then there's a few different sizes and colors for each of them. So I want to show you a little closer up version over here and keep going with these. All right, so here's a close-up version. Here's the two cameras in the front, and like I said, these have my prescription lenses in them. And with this color, you can actually see some of the circuitry through the frame. So pretty neat. If they need to have adjustments made to them, you can also see that most of that circuitry ends right around here. Okay, so like customers come in and they need these adjusted, we can warm this part up a little bit and we can make some little adjustments. But the way they're designed is sort of with everyone in mind. You know, so yeah, there's a bigger version, so the size is going to be where you're going to want to start. But after that, it's, you know, how they fit you is either they fit you really good or they don't, I guess is an easy way of saying it. You don't want to mess with these too much. But for me, I haven't changed the default bend in these at all. That's how I wear them. Whenever I wear these, I wear them exactly as they came, and they fit just fine. So this is the case they come with. It's a pretty neat case. It's kind of like a AirPods, you know, where you put your headphones in the case and they start charging. Same thing with these glasses. You put them in this case and it starts charging. And then you can charge this case with a USB-C and always have your glasses charged up and ready to go, which is really smart design. And it sort of locks in here, so you can't, they're not going to just fall out or nothing. They're locked in there pretty good, unless you pull them out like that. No matter which style of these Meta smart glasses you get, they all start around $300 and go up from there, and you can get them off of the Ray-Ban website or off of the Meta website. Next, I want to show you the app, and then we'll get to that feature that I really love. All right, so this is what the inside of the app looks like. And over on the top left, you could see the battery percentage. And there's some things you can learn and explore, get an idea of how they look. Over here is where it stores your pictures and any videos, which it also will put in your camera roll too. Now you do have to import them, or you can set it up where it imports automatically when you put them on the charger, which is really handy, and it makes its own Wi-Fi. When you look at it, the picture detail is really good. I'll go to some of these. I kind of wasn't planning on putting this on my photo roll, but here we are anyway. That's okay. So the picture quality is really good, and you can tell that it takes the pictures in the vertical mode, and that's by design, you know. You can live stream to Facebook, which I've tried. It's really cool, though it's a little sketchy. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it loses its connection, and you have to keep retrying. So it's been a while since I've tried it. Maybe it's gotten a little better. I'm not sure. But over here are some of the settings, and there are some things you can kind of tweak to get it set up the way you like it. I have it connected to Apple Music, so you can listen to music through there. The sound quality is really good, surprisingly, and there's nothing in your ears, you know, so if you have sensitive ears or you don't like things sitting in your ear, this gives a good way of listening to music or taking phone calls with nothing in your ear like that too, so that's really nice, and the clarity is excellent. It doesn't get super loud. That's one thing. If you like really loud music, then in your ear or over the ear headphone is probably better. But it does a really good, surprisingly good job for what it is. Now I want to tell you my favorite feature about these glasses, and that is the memories. Being able to record your memories, you know, through video, the way you see it, you know, it's a lot different than if you have your phone and you're recording stuff, you know, yeah, that's great too. But the convenience of having the glasses you're already wearing, they have the video camera in there, and you can just say, hey, Meta, record, or hold the button to do it. I think that's so cool. And the perspective of it. So here is a video of, let me turn the volume down, but we went out for a bike ride, and we're just cruising through the park, and I just told, hey, Meta, record, so I didn't even have to take my hands off of the handlebars, and able to just capture the views and the memories, and I think that is so awesome. And there's some more points I'm going to get into too, but here you can just get an idea of how the video looks on here too, which, like I said, everybody I show this to, they're always impressed, like, wow, that's really clear. And
You don't need to take this nut off all the way.
Here's another little side bonus of these glasses, and another reason why I love them is for recording videos, hands-on videos that may be instructional, or like here I was showing how to replace a part on our machine, and it's so handy to be able to have the glasses already on and hit record, and it just starts recording it, and I can keep my hands free to use for whatever I'm doing. So handy. Love that part.
Get it nice.
Here's another one where I was in a conference meeting out in Florida, and I had the Meta glasses on, and it's just so nice to be able to easily record. This was the CEO of this really large company, and I wanted to get his opening comments. So rather than pointing my phone, which would seem kind of rude, right, I could just kind of hold the button, have it record, and very discreetly record and keep that memory. And so now I'm able to replay it and remember that. All right, so you remember how I said my favorite feature of these that isn't really talked about all that much, and I alluded to it a little earlier, saying about the memories and so on, and I showed you a little bit. I actually have other memories too about me wearing the glasses, and I went to my mom's house for my birthday, and I had them recording as I walked in, and I got to see everybody and, you know, hug and greet everyone, and to be able to replay that. That's so cool. I love that. I did the same thing with my dad when I went to go visit him. Let me show you another reason why I love these glasses and the perspective that you get. So, hey Meta, record. There it goes. I just heard a little ding. Now watch this. Caleb, there's my boy. Yeah, that's my boy. To remember and cherish these moments the way I see them, right? The way I see them. I know I will sorely miss these days. So I am grateful to be able to capture these moments, and many like it, with a very unique perspective, right? Yeah, that's my boy. Caleb, if people want prescription lenses made for these glasses, where should they go? Oh, that's right. UseMyFrame.com. Great job. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. And if you do need some prescription lenses made for these frames, any color, any style, whatever they are, we can make them. We got the largest selection of lens options on the internet. Go check us out, UseMyFrame.com. Order lenses right at the top. You can't miss it. We'll take good care of you. Thanks again for watching. Oh, use coupon code META2024. How about that? Just as a thank you for sticking to the end.